All right, shalom everybody. I caught myself just now. I thought, darn it, I should have started filming myself doing this earlier, but then I would have ended up with a bunch of silly footage. Okay, so I had made another video. Ooh, maybe I'll put a link to it in the description. Okay, so in my other video, I'm showing the colloidal silver generator I have. And this is the lid to the jar. It's basically just a jar. And then this screws onto it. Well, the way that, and I had a friend of mine bought it for me. They had bought it from 49's Fine. And maybe I'll put a link in the description too, to their website. But there's a few videos on YouTube that show you how to make your own. Okay, so basically I had just finished replacing my silver rod because it was all eaten up. And if you can see this, the way this dongle, whatever you call it, basically the way it's set up, you can take your rod and you finagle it into that little hole there. I keep a rock around, and you kind of basically have to smush it down a little bit to get it to fit in the hole. Okay, so basically, once you can get it into there, you just screw it down and clamp it on, and that's all. That's about it. So once you're done, stick those rods in there, and since I'm manhandling all this, I'll probably wipe them off with rubbing alcohol a little bit, get all the oils off. Let's see, what else? Yeah, just kind of finagle them into there, and then do your magic, get them separated just the right amount. So it's very malleable, so you can kind of smush it around. Take a hammer to it if you need to. Anyway, I'll put some links in the description to 49's Fine and where you can get your silver and all that. All right, shalom.